Welcome to online classes. Let us discuss interpersonal communication, third unit, title concept of first MBA second semester. So it is the concept of business communication. What is business communication? Let us recollect. Generally, communication means interaction between two persons or two or more people. Interaction means exchanging ideas, feelings, information, message through a channel. Generally, channel means it's a media of exchanging the message. You can say language, phone, email, face-to-face conversation. These are all comes under communication. Then, what is interpersonal communication? Interpersonal communication means exchanging of information. It is a process of expressing feelings, ideas, thoughts, information, and emotions. Usually, it takes place in the form of a message, where it does in the communication. Here also, for exchanging the message, you're using your ideas, your thoughts, informations, feeling to to effectively communicating to the people in your day to day business life, even in your personal life. It helps you to build your relationships, to keep up your relationships in an effective manner. So, for exchanging or for expressing your thoughts and feelings towards somebody and your ideas, opinions for the future, you need a interpersonal communication. So, we have two kinds of communication here. We can say interpersonal communication and intrapersonal communication. Intrapersonal communication is a group or mass communication, and interpersonal communication means it's a communication which occur consciously or unconsciously between two people or two or more people. It's a direct activity. And for interpersonal communication, you need specified skills. Here, the interpersonal communication is also known as social skills or people skills. You can also known as call it as public skills. So, to maintain the relationship, to build your relationship in an effective manner and in a strong manner, you can access this interpersonal communication skill. So, if you have effective interpersonal communication, you can manage your relations in a better manner. So, for for maintaining the effective relationships and effective communication, this interpersonal communication need some other communication skills, because it is dependent on various other communication skills also. Interpersonal communication skill involves verbal communication skills, non-verbal communication skills, listening skills, negotiation skills, assertiveness skills, and decision making and problem solving skills. So here the interpersonal communication is utilizing the other communication skills. Let us see what is verbal communication. Verbal communication means spoken words, using language. Through language or words, by speaking, you are communicating to somebody or a group. It is known as verbal communication. Here, you can send the message if you have some common language between you and the receiver of the message. Next, now non-verbal communication. Communication without words is a non-verbal communication. So The communication which not takes place through verbal communication comes under this non-verbal communication. For example, body language, gestures, facial expressions, silence, aesthetics of an individual. For example, body language, you can see a movie which is not in your language, and even you can observe, you can feel the emotions of the characters playing in the movie. And you can take a dance. So while dancing, people give some expressions. In a Mookie drama, you can feel their expressions. So like that, non-verbal communication plays a key role. Even in the communication, while you are speaking with somebody, you are giving some gestures, postures, and facial expressions. Through your expressions also you can communicate, where this interpersonal communication is using. And next one is negotiation skills. Negotiation skills are important for uh, convincing people and coming to some agreement. Here, negotiation means an agreement between two people. So you can say what you need, and they can say what they are offering, and you can come to a mutual agreement, is known as negotiation skills. By negotiation, people come to settle for the same goals and outcomes. Here also, you can maintain your relationships in a better manner. And listening skills, this is the most important skill. A good speaker is a good listener first. So here, listening skills are needed to receive message given by other. It need some attention towards the people who are giving the message. So if you listen in a perfect manner, if you listen properly, you can understand the message and you can respond accordingly. So good listening skills can only make interpreting words and non-verbal communication. So it is possible, whenever you are listening to somebody, you can grasp what their emotion, their feelings through the message. And assertiveness skills. So assertiveness skills nowadays is a very very important skill. It is needed to business people, and also to the person who are having good relationship in the society. So here, influencing people is an important skill. Assertiveness skill means influencing people skill. So you can influence, if even if you have your own ideas, good thoughts, novel opinions, novel thoughts, and if you don't have this assertiveness skill, this is waste. If you have assertiveness skill, you can easily create influence with your own ideas, beliefs and thoughts and wants. You can go through the people, you can maintain best relationship and influence a number of people. And decision making skill and problem solving skills. So decision making skills, usually if you understand the nature of the message, if you understand the situation properly, you can find out the problems. And in the same way, when you understand what is the problem, what is the actual problem, then you can take appropriate decision to solve the problem. So decision making and problem solving skills are combined, and they are dependent on each other. If you know the problem, you can take the decision and you can solve the problems. So it creates some harmony in social environment, it creates some harmony in business environment, it creates some harmony in relationships to maintain in a better way. So it keeps you to avoid the problems. And few other important skills are there. They are questioning skills and interviewing skills. Here, questioning skills means whenever you don't know what the people are saying, you can question them. So when you're questioning, there is a chance to understand the exact information and the exact message what they are delivering. So you are asking question means you are attentive to the information properly. So it means you are attentive, it means you are listening. So that the next skill is interviewing skills. So interviewing skills will be explained in a better manner in the next video, and wait for that. And yes, with this we have concluded this video. Thank you so much for listening. Hope this video helps you to learn what is interpersonal communication and what are the dependent other communication skills of interpersonal communication. Thank you.